and your heart is too weak, go for a run. Sino yung sabi ko? Tingnan ko, nawala na naman ako. Ibaba ko nga para madali ko siyang matamsakan. Pindot mo yung more sa my title, sis. Andun ang description niya. More. Okay, sabi niya. I wish you knew what you did to me. I wish you felt the pain that I felt, the betrayal, the heartbreak, the endless waves of emotion, how they drowned me. I realized you did know. You just never cared. How much tears do I have to shed telling you exactly how you hurt me? How many times I did cry every time we talk. I am trying to be as silent as I could, choking on the sobs that I don't want everyone to know. How many times do I have to tell you what was hurting me, but you're doing it over and over again when you want me to trust you? Bumabanat siya. Why are some people happy by hurting others? Do not make it an entertainment just to make other people happy while you are hurting someone. You know I'm not okay. You know I'm down. I'm drained. I am emotionally hurt. But you just let me. I also want to be strong and happy, but in the middle of the night, I break down thinking and asking myself, what's wrong with me? It's hard trying to say that I am fine when it's really not. What did I to them to hurt me like this? A lot of whys running in my mind right now. Do I deserve all the pains that I am feeling right now? Do I deserve to cry until my eyes get hurt? Do I deserve not to sleep peacefully at night? Why I feel like I am the only one struggling. I feel so empty. That hurts. That hurts. Whatever you're going through, ate, I would say love yourself first. Hayaan mo sila. Wala akong masabi, yun lang. You deserve better. Pero I love this. Ano to, poem? Ano to, poem, ate? I hope I can do that. Best advice? Just pray, ate. Pray that one day the pain will go away. Ganun. I-highlight ko nga yan. Yung binasa ko. Parang maganda siyang i-highlight. Ang ganda niya, ate. It's like a poem, but actually it's a love letter, right? Pag broken tayo, nagiging writer, singer, poet tayo. Siguro, ate. Minsan tinatanong ko rin sarili ko sa ganyan. Pero, basta. Pero may kilala din ako na ganyan na kapag na-hurt siya, magaling siyang gumawa ng kanta. Kapag down na down siya, ang galing niyang kumanta ng kanta, ng poet, ganon, something like that. Meron din ako na kilala na kapag na-hurt siya, isang banga ng rice ang kinakain niya. Di niya namamalayan. Hala, naiiyak ako. Ate, hugs and kisses.